if you are someone who is interested in more of the musical theater, do some sort of acting as well. When you're auditioning for stuff, especially if you're at a school or at a program or at any place where there's a lot of competition, a lot of the singers are good. Like, you have a lot of good singing competition. But if you can act, not everyone can do that. So if you need help with this, one thing you can do is seek an acting coach, but another thing you can do is just go to someone who's been there, who's been through that transformation. If I have, like I said, I've experienced this before where I have been so nervous about performing in an acting way in front of people, expressing myself, not sure how to do that. And I really think it's so helpful to be able to really break down how to do that. And that's something that I offer with some of the programs that I have created. So if you're interested in learning more, feel free to book a call with me down below.